Hey, we are at Mealy. We're at Mealy. See Mealy? And we're gonna load up a couple things, but I also want to check the propane on our refrigerator. It wasn't working when we were plugged in, because probably we were plugged in, but I just want to see if it works because I want to see if we can dry camp. I want to see if that's gonna work. So we're gonna do a couple things in here and then I will show you how I check that, okay? Katelyn's being my assistant.
Hello, I'm going to help with assists and repairs.
Yep.
Please don't judge me if I don't get it right the first time. I'm still
Or
learning.
me either. We're all learning. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Bye. Move your finger out of the way.
Ah.
You got it?
Yes.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right.
Let's begin.
Let's begin. Let me get this up in here. Katelyn, look, the stairs gonna come down. Ready?
Yes.
Watch the stairs. Watch the stairs. Oh, hold on. I got the key locked. Uh-oh. Shit. This is what happened last time.
We're having some technical difficulties with the door. Right
There
now.
we go. Woo! It's because it's leaning. All right, see that? All right. There's my new bar. See the bar?
Ooh, very
Yeah,
nice.
very nice. Okay. Let's go and we're going to vacuum.
Clean up all the dust and germs and crap so we don't get allergy problems.
All right, and we've got a couple things we have to pick up while we're here because we forgot to get them last time. All right. You ready to help?
Yes.
All right, I know it's hot in here, but I also want to check this propane thing. I want to see what's going on with this. I'm going to have to turn the propane on and see if I can get this fridge to work. Okay, I'm going to try this propane here. I'm going to get down in here and turn this propane on one-handed and not hurt myself. Okay. You can hear it. So that is on all the way. The propane. Coming back inside. Oh, and gotta pull on it because we're leaning. And
The fridge.
I think I'm gonna have to light the stove. But let me see if I can get this to even just, oh, I have to turn my disconnect on first. This is the disconnect. It disconnects your batteries. So I had to reconnect my batteries. Okay, let me put this, that's how I know it's on because that light turns on. Okay, hold on one second. Okay, so a light has come on. And I'm gonna switch this mode to LP gas and hopefully it will turn on. The fridge light's on. So we'll see, yeah, the fridge light's on. So hopefully it's running on gas. I was supposed to turn my stove on to make sure that there was no air in the line. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna check this because last time I had an error code. And I just want to make sure that's going to work. So I'm going to leave this on for a minute while we vacuum.
Ear.
You heard a creature making buzzing sounds near your ear?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I'm going to vacuum this really fast. So I'm going to get your toes. If you don't get out of my way.
Run me over. I don't care.
Ready? That's going towards you. Come this way. Come on. I won't get you. All right.
I'm going to sit on this chair.
Oh, there. I see the error code. Katelyn, do you see this error code? See this? That's the error code. Well, back up. There you go. It's an F.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. All right.
Flying.
We'll check that out.
Nasty peasant. I can't believe you tried to go up inside my ear.
All right. Quick vacuum. Our microwave plate flew out.
Sorry if you're getting legs in there.
I know.
Yes, we have to get new microwave plates.
Yeah, our microwave plate flew out, and we have to replace it. Like $10 at Walmart. What's really funny is I broke my sister-in-law's microwave plate when I was up in Ohio.
Yes, we owe Aunt Wendy a new microwave plate now.
Yes, that's my karma. All right.
There's no such thing as... Okay, maybe it does exist. But it doesn't affect the people that don't believe in it, probably. What?
All right, so that's vacuumed enough. Okay, so here's the error code that I'm getting. It's an F, which I think it means like failed to light. So I'm going to come over here to my stove and try and get it to light. put that one on light. My stove's been pretty good. I hear stuff going into it. Yeah, so my stove is lighting. See, that one's lighting. It's lit. So I'm gonna let that stay on for about a few seconds, and then I'm gonna try and go back to my fridge and see what is going on there. Okay, so I've turned my fridge all the way off. I'm gonna try and turn it back on and see if I can hear a spark. Okay. Oh, I hear it. I hear it. It sounds like a shh.
I hear the sound.
I'm gonna go outside and see if I can hear it from there. Okay, can you hear that? Oh, and I heard it go off just like that. Okay, that means I have to pull out my trusty butter knife and see what's going on. I'm trying for round 2. I can hear it lit again. So we'll see if it stays lit. I'm at 12 seconds. That was my screen door closing. I still hear it. We're 30 seconds it goes off, I think, because it sounded like it cut out. Let me see if the error reader comes up. Yep, there it goes. I think I then have to get something to clean this out, but let me go out here one more time with my butter knife. Watch your fingers. Your fingers. Okay, got my trusty butter knife. This is the back of my fridge. This is the bottom part, and that's the top part, which I can't get to right now. But I was told that you can open these up. Oh, let's see how this goes. Woo! Yeah. There's all kinds of fun stuff in there. I might have to just clean all this out. I think it's just full of webs.
Ugh.
Yuck.
Spider webs. Dust and dirt and spider webs.
Dust and dirt and spider webs. Let's see here. Let's get in here.
Well, this will be a little aggravation to clean out.
Yeah.
I wonder if this lets me call my allergy.
But I've heard you're supposed to tap on this thing. There's like a burner thing in here, but I'm gonna try and clean it. We'll see how that goes. I got my Dyson. Let's see what happens.
Video take 1.
Take 1. All right, I'm gonna very carefully suck this stuff around here. Super, super careful.
I feel like I'm shooting a movie.
Ooh, it's gross.
Suck the little nasty cretins away. Suck them all away.
I'm gonna have to take this piece off though. I'm gonna try to light it, Caitlin.
Yes.
Oh, I hope I don't break anything.
I wouldn't be tapping on that if I was you.
I'm supposed to get all the crap out of there, but I also need to remove that thing.
This is why poor Mealy has been suffering. He's got dirt and dust clogging his entrails. He's like, help me. I can't get it out myself.
All right, I'm going to try to light this one more time. We'll see what happens, okay?
Okie
Let's see
dokie.
how this goes, but I vacuumed that out. But I
got
really
as
think
much
I
of the
need to
dust and
remove
dirt
that,
as
so
we
we'll
can
see what
get.
happens.
Okay, recording.
Just try to turn it back on.
I hear fiery humming sounds.
Is it firing? Okay. Let's see.
Listen closely.
Yeah, you can
Sounds
hear
like
it.
he's breathing.
I just don't know where you see it from. I really don't know if I should be this close to it.
It's dangerous.
I hear it.
I hear it humming.
Well, let's see if it goes for more than about 30 seconds. Let's see what happens. I can't read the timer on my video to see how long it's been. Let's see.
Very good. I still hear humming.
Yeah, we're coming up on a minute. Well, we're over a minute, so I think we might be okay. We'll see. I'm going to run inside and see what it says. But I still hear it. Can you hear it?
Yes, I can hear it.
right, let's check the inside and see what it says. Okay, it has been going for about 1.5 minutes, coming up on 2 minutes, and it looks like it's working now. So I don't know if just that little bit of vacuuming and banging a little bit helped, but I will check it again in a few minutes. I gotta pack up a couple other things anyway, so we'll see what happens. But right now it's still going. Also wanted to show you my pantry. I put this shelf in here. I totally measured this thing and thought it would fit the other direction, and it didn't. I was so mad, but I put that in, and I also have this little bar here so it won't fall. So I'm gonna make that work for now. All right, on to cleaning. Going through the rest of my list, I left my Fritos. So I gotta get those. Did it stop? Oh, it's still going, yay. Katelyn, you can come in. And then I will go ahead and I have these ice block things. Oh, that's soaking wet now. I should have expected that. Guess I'm gonna have to clean that out. I need to take these back to the house and get that. Woo, that's all wet. All right, I'll get that now. All right, just so you guys know, this is, see the water? We had left a bag of ice in there the other day and then had to let it thaw so we could get out. So that's why I came back today. I'm gonna clean this fridge out, get that water out of there, and then clean it. But I just want you to know, inside the RV right now, it is 82 degrees. Meh. Feels warmer than that. It's pretty humid. I had to get all these out too. These were also frozen in. I have to remember to keep bringing these back and forth. These are really cool. These you can put inside drinks, and then here's ice cubes for like wine so you don't water down your wine. All right, and then I got my Fritos. I will finish this. Okie dokie pokies. That took a while to get all that water out. I actually put some of it in the trash, see? So I'll have to take that trash. It's just paper towels. So that was a lot. Note to self, make sure that the ice doesn't get stuck in there. But I'm going to use my EnviroCloth and clean this the best I can. The thing I love about these EnviroCloths is you don't have to have chemicals, cleaning stuff to clean with.
This is your cleaning lesson for today.
Yeah, that's my cleaning lesson for the day. But I'm just like wiping it down. I'm also going to leave it open because we are storing right now. Just going to do a quick wipe down. Just a quickie. See how good that works?
Kills all the germs and bacteria too.
Well, it's supposed to. It doesn't disinfect, but
Mm.
you know.
Every little bit
I should take
counts.
this thing home. Huh?
Every little bit counts.
Yeah, it does. We'll get it cleaned up though. Just a quick wipe down until next time. But yeah, I'm glad the fridge is working. That made me feel a little bit better about all of that. So there's that. All right. I'll leave this open, although I have to close this pantry door really quick. We'll leave that going that way. I'll wipe these counters down. And luckily for me, I keep baggies in here. So we can bring these back. Bring all this back to the house. It's funny, I've had this ice thing in here for forever and we've never used it. Never made ice, I just used these cubes. So I should just leave that at the house. But we do have this ice block. And then this thing right here is to dry stuff. I usually leave it underneath this so it doesn't rattle. But I'm gonna leave that out so it can dry because it got a little wet. We're just gonna wipe this all down. Wipe down back here real quick. I think the bathroom's good to go. Do you want to see the bathroom? No, I think it's good to go. It's clean. All right, let's get our stuff and mosey on. I gotta turn this gas off and we can go. Alrighty then. Okay.
And cut. Thank you all.
Okay, I hit my disconnect, so that's good. I'm gonna close this up. Lock it. And then I have to turn my gas off because I had it on trying to test the refrigerator. Turning that all the way off. Just so you guys know, gas, they don't lock those. They don't lock those so people can get into them. Now I gotta go. You can stand right there, Katelyn, and people can see the stairs go up.
Oh, good, in the shade.
You need shade. Yeah.
They're in.
All right, we gotta go. See you, Amelie. See you next time.